How do you like this? Hey, 2021 show, and I'm not a makeup artist, but I've been in this thing since I was tiny. So I think I have one or two good ideas, and I've been experimenting. And trust me, 2020 dealt with all of us, and the pulse was getting so we have to know how to stretch that little dollar. So I'm just gonna retouch it because I was trying to set up this this thing. It's not easy, so I was sweating already. So I'm just gonna, this is my foundation brush. I already have my foundation. The foundation I'm using, by the way, is Mary Kay. I'm using the second to the darkest one. I'm going to mineral powder to just freshen my face. Okay, a bit lighter than the first place I did, so I'm just going to put it here just to highlight under my eyes. This is the lighter powder than the one I just used. It's all still mineral powder. This is lip crayon. That's what I want to show today. So I ordered it in Sally Beauty online because it's always sold out in their store. I get it here. It costs about $2 something for one. So you order it online. That's the way they send it to you in the package. So I have this one, brand new. Let's go. This one is like the darkest. I think it's blueberry, strawberry, blueberry something color. I will link it up too. So how I go, I'm gonna use this little mirror because so that I will see it up close. So I'm sorry if I block you sometimes, but I'll try not to too much. So now I'm gonna do my eye. I will show you how I do the whole face using just this pencil. Is it possible? Yes. Yes. Where there's a will, there is a way. The way is coming. Okay, let's go. So I hope everybody had, let me just quiet. So I do one eye. Remember, this is a lip crayon. But who gave the law that I should only use it for the lip? Am I not the one that bought it in the store? So I have the right to use it the way I want to use it. It's my tool, you know. This is all I have. I have nothing else in my bag. Just lip crayon, and I'm out of the door. How about that? So the whole face is gonna get beat, right? Let's go. This is how I do it. So eyes done. It didn't even take me 30 seconds. So now I'm doing the rest. Eyeliner. I do the upper one. Done. So now just take it a little bit. I'm gonna get myself some eye shade from this. Also, this way, I'm taking it up and do this. Make like a triangle around here and take it a little bit above the crease of my wooded, wonderful, beautiful eyes. It's just my eyes has a fold. That's what it is. There's every kind of beautiful. This is my own kind of beautiful. So done. You said, "Man, she's not feeling." Don't worry, I'm coming to blend it. Don't worry about that. So now contour. Okay. This same lip pencil. Okay, I've not changed nothing yet. Contour. Just do your fish mouth. Fish. Look. Okay, done. I'm doing my lips now. Line it. This is the most beautiful feature. I love my lips. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Lips. I just want to do today ombre lip. Lip ready. Everything is ready now. Okay? All I need is this. Oh yes, this is my blending brush. Let's go. Tap, tap, tap. You're not rubbing, you're tapping and you're using it to blend. What I'm doing, I'm trying to get my face to go up. Working against gravity. It looks like I use different eyeshadow palette to do this. All I'm using right now, as you can see, my lip pencil. That's it, nothing else, darling. Just the man I cannot afford. It's a lie. The devil is a liar. We refuse. We reject the leftover. Look at it. I'm not going to rub it away. Then I use it for my nose contour. okay? Because I love my nose, so I've put powder and the nose has vanished. I need people to see how beautiful my nose is. I'm elevating the contour that God gave me on that nose that vanished because I put the foundation to even my face color because of because as the lip crayon, as I'm touching it, it's warming up, so it's spreadable now. You don't want the contour to be seen. People just want to see that your face somehow is snatched. I'm just trying to alleviate where powder covered initially. Yes, and I stay by that. And then back there, that's it, done. Everything is done. So now to look. So I'm just gonna remove the mirror so now you guys can see what I'm about. So I'm using the same brush that I used to do my foundation. So don't mind that it's looking brown because my foundation is on it. It's a clean brush. I clean it up before using it today, but it's just the foundation is brown. Of course, that's the color of the brush, chocolate brush. How about that? So done. I have the Juvia's Place Nude lipstick. This is like my favorite. Ooh, I can't, like, I'm so grateful about this lipstick. It's not even funny. This is my favorite. This is En Vogue, because I am En Vogue in 2021. So I'm putting this on. Practically, you can go by this, put your lip gloss and you're out of the way. You're good to go. Okay? But I'm going to use En Vogue today because I'm feeling like that. I don't need a lot. That's a little. Hey, I like this. She look good. Okay, that's it. Anna gloss from Milana. This is also you can go like this now if you, because of mask, you know, this will not go away. You put your mask on, it will remain like that, but yeah, I just want to look beautiful, look wonderful. So gloss Milan that's what I use for the whole face. That's it. How do you guys like that? So if I want to take it even, use it even more, take it for even, if this is enough, you just leave the door, you're good to go. Because I'm getting ready, it's New Year's party. You know, let's go. Yeah, pencil, everything's pencil for me today. So what I want to do, I'm using Juvia's Place blush palette. Juvia's Place blush palette. It's dirty, don't look at it because I've used it so much. So I'm using this color here. Let me show again. Okay. That brown one is actually the same color as the lip pencil I used. That's why I like it. So now I'm using this one, the orange. Like the burnt orange one. Yeah. So for inside my face. So the whole thing also still has an ombre effect and what. Like I said, this is not necessary. So what we finished, you can just be out of the door with it. That's good enough. So, but I'm just trying to, for people who like, I want a little bit more. So I'm just showing you, this is what I do. So put everything together, make it melt and marry each other. So that things don't look like, you know, nobody should see where you started and where you ended. Everything should be together. Perfect. So now I'm going to use the same blending my same blending tool, and you see here they have also shimmer, so I'm going to take one from just like that and put just to, oh my goodness, highlighting is amazing. You know, highlight my nose a little bit. And now what else I do? Smile. Smile here and tap. That's all. Tap, tap, tap. To rejuve that face, make it a bit, yeah. Your hand is actually your best tool, and most high-end makeup artists, if you watch them, they use a lot of their fingers. Clean ones, of course, that's to be clean. Yeah, it has to be clean. You cannot go and put your thing on somebody's thing. So this I just put here, just to reflect light. That's it. And on top of here, this just reflects light. So when the camera or whatever, the light is just, your face shows it. So you see when I smile, peep, 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 and everything in with the powder one. I'm using the lighter powder now because it's around my eye area, just to highlight it. So now, because I don't want somebody to see me and know from afar, oh, she wears highlight or whatever. That's my secret, darling. For those of you who have been asking, I hope I helped you with this little fun thing we just did. It's not a lot, and this is not, sometimes I do more, but I did a 5 minutes makeup, leave the house, and this one is like a 20 minutes makeup, leave the house. So I just did different session of it with you guys. I hope this is good. How do you like this?